Hi everyone, Dr. Katie here. This video is being posted on Tuesday, September 14th, 2021. Today I'm coming to you from our Welding Technology Lab inside Weaver Hall here on campus. As we head into the fall season, I want to assure you that our campus community's health and safety are our top priority as we continue dealing with COVID-19 and its variants. The college remains in constant contact with local, state, and national government officials and appropriate health agencies so we can develop policies that keep our campus as safe as possible. Remember, our face covering policy is currently in place. All faculty, staff, students, and visitors, regardless of vaccination status, must be masked at all times while inside our campus buildings, classrooms, and labs. For the latest information about current campus COVID-19 policies and our weekly case numbers, visit our COVID update section of our website, johnson.edu. Now that we're in the third week of the semester, some students may be looking for additional resources to help support their studies. Our staff always provide a caring environment, and they get students the essential support they need, and this academic year is no different. We offer information to guide students through challenges such as time management, stress management, study skills, school life balance, budgeting, using D2L, and so much more. If you have questions or need more information, please visit Nolan Renz, our Director of Student Engagement, or Melissa Saxon-Price, our Counselor and Manager of Disability Services. Both have offices in the Moffitt Student Center. I want to thank Associated Equipment Distributors for visiting campus last week. This visit was to review our heavy equipment technology program. This review is in preparation for a full accreditation process we'll be starting soon with the AED. This week, Johnson College will be hosting the PA Smart After School program. Middle school students from the Scranton School District will participate in various computer science activities, interact with guest speakers, and learn about computer science occupations. The after-school program is offered through the Advancing Computer Science in Northeastern Pennsylvania program funded by a PA Smart grant. I want to thank the Greater Scranton Chamber of Commerce for holding their Back to Business card exchange in our AMT lab a few weeks ago and for inviting me to speak at their Women's Network Luncheon on November 17th at La Buena Vida in Dunmore. If you're interested in attending this event, visit scrantonchamber.com. As I mentioned, I'm on campus in the Welding Technology Lab inside Weaver Hall, which is home to our one-year Welding Technology Academic Certificate program. Soon, it will be home to another program, which I'm excited to talk about, just not in this video. Sorry, no spoilers. More details will be available on that announcement in October. The one-year Welding Technology Academic Certificate prepares students for entry-level work in the welding industry. Students learn about safety, hand tools, torches, print reading, weld symbols, and different types of welding like stick, MIG, TIG, and flux core arc welding. If you or someone you know is interested in this career path, more information is available at johnson.edu or reach out to our enrollment team at enroll@johnson.edu. This week, I want to thank all of our welding technology industry partners who hire our Welding Technology Academic Certificate Program graduates. They include partners such as Acker Drill Company in South Abington Township, Fastenal Company in Jessup, Lockheed Martin in Archibald, Pleasant Mount Welding Incorporated in Carbondale, Power Rail in Duryea, and McGregor Industries Incorporated in Dunmore. Thank you. Industry is our students' campus. And now, my final note of the week. Dare I say it, but fall is upon us. If you're like me, then you're excited for what is probably considered to be the best time in northeastern Pennsylvania. Like last year, I'm making sure I soak up the sun and head outside for some good hiking during this time of year. An awesome moderate hike I recommend is up to Top of the World in Dunmore, PA. Make sure you have good hiking shoes for this one, as the area is pretty rocky. With its elevation and sweeping views, it's a great way to take in the change of the season and beautiful colors of fall. Bring lots of water and a snack because once you reach the top, you'll want to spend some time enjoying the scenery. That's it for this week's presidential update video from our Welding Technology Lab here on campus. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, be well, and have a great week.